So I was asked to clarify from the heel transition video on how I created the HeelHelper3 sketch and then use that to extrude to fill in this gap. So when we extrude the tenon, because the face of the heel transition is at an angle, it does not it doesn't extrude on the same plane as the top of the neck where the fretboard attaches. So we need to fill that gap to get it to continue straight out flat. So we created this HeelHelper3 sketch right here and extruded it down as such and filled that in. So now we can turn off our sketches and see that now that is flat all the way out. It continues out. So I'm not sure what the confusion was in this, but I'm just gonna do this specifically just for this sketch and this extrude so we can demonstrate how it was completed. So I'm gonna back up before that sketch and create a new sketch to show you. So I'm gonna create a sketch. It's going to go on the top plane, and then we're gonna go turn on the heel face sketch. Then we're going to rotate it here, and what we want to do is we want to project in this line at the bottom of the heel face sketch, and we want to project in, so hit P. We got that line already selected. We're going to select this point and this point to give us the width of the tenon, where to anchor our sketch. So I'm going to say OK there, and then once I have that, I can go ahead and turn off the heel face sketch. I don't need it anymore. In the original video, I said you also needed to turn on the fretboard link sketch and project in this line from the 15th fret, but I don't believe that's necessary. I'm not sure why I was doing that. It must have been a remnant, and it's not necessary. So now I'm going to just draw 3 lines. I want to make sure that that is parallel to that right there. You need to either use horizontal constraints like this. Let's get that. Oops, I meant top view. Give me the top view. To lock down these 2 lines. On this side it's done with perpendiculars. On this side I did it with a horizontal. Any combination of horizontals and perpendiculars that gets these 2 constrained is all we need. And then we're going to dimension this to a width of tenon depth, and then it's fully constrained, and we've got a profile that we can extrude. So that's how you create HeelHelper3. That's all there is to it. Once you have HeelHelper3, I'm going to delete that sketch because I already have HeelHelper3 sketch here, and I'll turn on sketches so we can see it. And then I have to move my timeline down to where I've created the neck, and that would be right here. And so now I've done all those steps in the video to create the tenon, the whole neck and the tenon, and then I'm just going to come and choose this profile on HeelHelper3, and I'm going to extrude that. And when I extrude it, I'm going to say, for my extent type, I'm going to say to object, and I'm going to select the point at the top of the tenon here. It can be any point along here, either side, either point, and make it a join, and that's it. And now the tenon, if we take a front view, you can see the tenon extends straight out now. So I hope that clarified the creation of the HeelHelper3 sketch and the extrude to get that to where we wanted it. So that's it. Take care.